You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this name. If you want to learn more confusing names of different pasta shapes and Italian cuisine, stay tuned. I've got many more videos for you coming up. In Italian, the pronunciation is pronounced as busiate. The plural would be busiati, busiate, busiate. I've heard people say bugiate in Italian. Not at all. I mean, there's another video that says that. No, busiate. Therefore, in English, similarly, busiate or busiati for the plural. And now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.